Hey guys, my February Whiffbox has arrived and I wanted to show you what's inside. Now, obviously this is from last month, so this month's will be completely different and we never know what's going to be inside until it comes. If you're not familiar with the Whiffbox, it is very similar to a subscription box. The only difference is you don't have to sign up for it monthly. You can get it one time. Or you can sign up in Scentsy Club and you can get 10% off. So this is regular $30. So you can get 10% off in Scentsy Club and then get it every month, every 2 months, or every 3 months. So that's kind of cool too. So let me show you what's in February's box. Always they're going to have a little paper in here that's going to tell you kind of like what's inside. But this one has a fortune teller, and for the 80s and 90s kids out there, you know exactly what this is. This is the little fortune teller that we used to make in school when we were bored and we'd pass time. That's what's in this Whiffbox. So you can cut this out and you can make this. That's kind of cute. All right, also included in February's Whiffbox is our new catalog that dropped last month. So this is our spring summer catalog. So it's got some new little additions in here that are super cute. There's some new body line products in here. So all of our new stuff is in that catalog. Also included in our Whiffbox, we've got a couple of scent circles for our car. This was in Vanilla Waves and Sand Swept. So this is the two of the new scents that just came out in the spring summer catalog. So those are in there. We've got watermelon tangerine hand cream. I have not smelled this yet, so I'm dying to smell this. See? Ooh, yeah, that's good. So this is now available in our body line products, the watermelon tangerine. Also included in the Whiffbox, this is one of my new favorite products. This is our sugar scrub. It is now in the catalog, where before it was only available in some of our specialty collections. It's now in the catalog. This is in Luna. I cannot wait to crack that open. And red pear and pomegranate. So this was the scent of the month for February. So there's a bar of that in there. And my new favorite scent from the new catalog that really needs to be in our laundry care, it's Magnolia Linen. So there's a bar of that in there. So this is our Whiffbox for February. If you would like to sign up for March's Whiffbox, you can find the link below. If you would like any of the new spring samples, let me know.